Hi guys, Amadea here from Sipco. We're quickly doing a demonstration at one of the customers that called us out for a demo. These guys supply burner fuel to a lot of companies that does tarmac. These oils are used in the machines to warm up the burners and stuff, and to warm up the tar, and then they can use it to tar the tarmacs. They struggle with a lot of oil onto the machines that spill where they keep the tarmac, the burner oil, sorry. And we're going to put Sub 50 to the test. I'm going to quickly give my phone to my colleague here just to do recording. And we're not going to scrub too much, just spray. And then with my hand, I'm going to rub it just to agitate it a bit, because obviously I don't have a brush here with me. And as you can see, with minimal effort, starting to break down all this oils that's on here. Just rub it a little bit, agitate it a bit. You're not using quite a lot of product here. This is simple just to show how good the product takes off all this. I mean, these tanks are standing outside in the weather every single day, baking in the sun, rain. I mean, there you can see a little bit more. And right in front of your eyes, I'm gonna do magic. And for the first time in years, you can actually see the paint again. And as you can see, where the soap ran down, it actually also cleaned as it was running down, and we didn't even agitate it. There you can see the power of the product, where it actually ran down, cleaning as it ran down. This is true power in a 500 ml bottle, available nationally and soon also available at the cash and carry and a retailer nearest to you. Please follow our Facebook page for more information regarding our excellent Sipco products, and grab yourself the best. Grab Sub 50 heavy duty, the king of cleaning. Sipco signing out.